another video. You are watching Phone Zone here with me, guys. And today we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy A5 Duo out here. Talking about Samsung Galaxy A5 Duo, we can say A5 Duo or A5 में काफी ज़्यादा similarities हैं. Samsung Galaxy A5 Duo and A5 were released in the same year, in the same month out there. They have been announced and released in the same timing, we can say. But one thing which remained different was their few specifications. मतलब कुछ specifications ऐसी थी जो इन दोनों में different थी, and that gives a major we can say functionality difference in them. चलिए सबसे पहले बात करते हैं A5 Duo की and compare it simultaneously with A5. Talking about the weight, they have the same weight which is 123 grams. दोनों का ही weight 123 grams है. साथ ही साथ इसमें आपको जो है प्रोटेक्शन के बारे में अगर हम बोलें तो इसमें गोरिल्ला ग्लास 4 की प्रोटेक्शन देखने को मिल रही है, whereas the body type is quite dissimilar to the A5. So they are not quite similar, they are slightly dissimilar out there. Having a hybrid dual SIM technology is the major similarity we can say. मतलब A5 में आपको dedicated slots देखने को मिलते हैं for SIM and memory card, whereas A5 Duo has a shareable SIM slotation. Yes, hybrid SIM slotation है, shareable है. So this is one thing which we can see in this. Having super almond capacitive touch screen, same is there. You will get to see 5-inch screen size. You will get to see 294 ppi density. मतलब these are quite same things. चाहे इसके टाइप की बात करें, डिस्प्ले इज स्टिल सुपर आलमंड डिस्प्ले which is still the same out there. You get to see that it has got 5-inch screen size, which is quite similar to A5. Talking about this variant, talking about this version, we can say Android 4 पे operate कर रहा है. It might have a base of Android 4, but it is not as upgradable as it is in A5. Yes, A5 जो है वो upgrade हो पा रहा है easily. It can be upgraded up to Android 7, but A5 Duo is only upgradable up to Android 5, that to Android 5.0.2. So we can say कि upgradability as compared to A5 is slightly low out here. Otherwise, it's absolutely same. It has got Snapdragon 410 processing system and 16 GB storage capacity with 2 GB RAM, 13 megapixel camera, 5 megapixel selfie camera out here. You will get to see Wi-Fi, 3.5 jack, Bluetooth, NFS is there, infrared port is not there. All the specifications are same. In fact, the battery life is same, which is 2300 mAh battery. मतलब इनमें 2300 mAh battery देखने को मिल रही है. So we can say A5 और A5 Duo में बहुत ज़्यादा similarities हैं. There are only very few specifications or very few differences out there. Now talking about differences and similarities, do the difference offers difference in the pricing also? Yes, these differences had made it a slightly different in pricing also. So let us go to our website. This is the website out here, and this website offers you a great pricing for your gadgets. मतलब बहुत अच्छे prices कह सकते हैं, best in the marketplace you can say. Not just Samsung, but n number of gadgets from these reputed brands. मतलब इन सब में से भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे आपको देखने को मिल सकते हैं. As well as when we talk about this product, we can search it in this search bar icon and get to know about the product and everything detailed. So we have Samsung Galaxy A5 Duos out here and the search icon. So we get to see that this is the result display out here, and it has got a description box which specifies all the specifications out here. Talking about the specifications and everything, there is a condition written, refurbished condition. So let us talk about refurbished condition and know how is it different from brand new, as well as see whether it's good to invest in refurbished products or not. So let us talk about refurbished product, and when we talk about refurbished product, we can say that it's quite similar to brand new products. How we say so? मतलब क्यों हम ये कह रहे हैं? Because brand new मतलब is something absolutely new, which has been not used, which has been absolutely untouched. That is absolutely, we can say, new for us. But refurbished is something which is like creating something newly like. Yes, creating something newly like. Why we say so? Refurbished is creating something which was back then. Yes, मतलब जो पहले जैसा था उसे वैसा ही बना देना. It's called refurbished. Now, when we talk about refurbished and brand new, we can say that they are very similar in the structurality, functionality, because they are absolutely same. क्योंकि इनके टेस्टिंग के पैरामीटर्स सेम होते हैं, इनकी फंक्शनैलिटी सेम होती है, और बस एक ही डिफरेंस होता है. The major difference lies out is कि these refurbished products are pre-owned phones. Yes, these are pre-owned versions, whereas brand new are not pre-owned. Like जैसे ये ब्रांड न्यू की बात करें, उसमें 3 फेजेस होते हैं और सेम 3 फेजेस जो हैं हमारे होते हैं रिफर्बिश्ड में. ब्रांड न्यू इज फ्रॉम द कंपनी, मतलब बेस इज द कंपनी आउट देयर. उसके बाद वो मार्केट प्लेस में आता है, इट कम्स टू द मार्केट प्लेस, देन इट गोज टू द यूजर्स. यस, इट गोज टू द यूजर्स. तो ये हो जाता है हमारा ब्रांड न्यू का पैसेज. whereas this user becomes now the base. वो अब हमें बेस बन गया. Now it going back, now they don't want to use that variant out here, that gadget, तो market place में आता है. They resell it and then it is checked out, verified, everything is done and it is packed as a newly like one, और फिर ये एक नए यूजर को दिया जाता है. So this is called refurbished product. Now talking about this product, we can say refurbished products में भी पैरामीटर्स होते हैं, टेस्ट होते हैं जो कि ब्रांड न्यू में होते हैं. लाइक चेकिंग द कनेक्टिविटी आउट देयर, देयर आउटर स्ट्रक्चर, इंटरनल फंक्शनैलिटी, बैटरी लाइफ हो गई, उनके हैंडसेट्स में क्या क्या है, साथ में कौन कौन सी एक्सेसरीज है, एवरीथिंग हैज टू बी चेक. लाइक अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करें तो कनेक्टिविटी में चाहे वो ब्लूटूथ हो, इसकी वाईफाई हो, सिम कनेक्टिविटी हो, एक्सलोमीटर हो, सेंसिटिविटी हो, फिंगरप्रिंट हो, कोई भी कनेक्टिविटी हो, वो सभी चेक किए जाते हैं. Whereas when we talk about the outer structurality, it includes the display, buttons, camera, audio, video, normal calling process out there, everything out there. Whereas internal operating systems is checked out. Internal मतलब जो बारीक चीजें जो होती हैं जो check out करते हैं, like the operating system, CPU, GPU, GPS out there, SIM recognition, data connectivity, colorization, it's data wiping out there. Everything, look, all the parameters which we read about any variant has to be checked. There are approximately 29 major parameters which are checked out with sub parameters out there. इन सबके सब parameters बहुत सारे होते हैं, but 29 are the major parameters out there. Now these 29 parameters are checked out, and when they are checked out, they are given a category which is known as refurbished or certified refurbished. Now what happens, what are the things which are involved in refurbished benefits? Because this offers you good quality products, good service products out there. It offers you really original parts are there. Everything is 100% genuine. Now when we talk about this product, what are the benefits of having refurbished over brand new? Number one is the savings. Yes, you get to have a savings. How you saving great amount? Like brand new, we know they are expensive, whereas refurbished are quite pocketable. Yes, refurbished products are quite pocketable out here, so you can save up to a great amount. Now when we talk about savings and pocketable rates, we can say that brand new offers you 1 year warranty period. Yes, but when we pre-own any phone, when we own any phone which has been pre-owned, so uski warranty period usually it has reduced out. But when we check any product from the site and it has a condition return refurbished, it gets a warranty period of 6 months. मतलब 6 महीने की वारंटी पीरियड रिफर्बिश्ड में आपको देखने को मिलती है. उसी के साथ आपको देखने को मिलता है, you get to see 7-day exchange policy. Yes, you also get to have 7-day exchange policy. So these are the benefits of having a refurbished product, because these are profitable, gives you savings, they have warranty period, and if you they are not approximately a good product for you or they have some disadvantages, then there is an exchange policy too. So you can definitely check that out. And let us go back to the site where we were talking about to check how the products are there and whether it offers the same things or not. This is the site out here we are talking about. This is phonezone.ae. And in this site, you get to see n number of brands in these categories, in these gadgets, in these reputed brands out here. As well as when we talk about this website, you get to see 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy already there. As well as COD and free shipping is additional factor to this. Now you get to have a COD delivery out there, as well as free shipping out there, then you get to have 48 hours timing. Yes. For most parts of UAE, the delivery timing is 48 hours, whereas in Saudi, it might take up to a week. Whereas when we talk about pricing, this site offers you one of the best price, yes, best price for your favorite gadgets out there. As well as when we talk about order placement, you can place either online or on call. Any type of placement can be done. For best pricing, do check out the website. The search icon helps you to search your favorite gadget. As well as if you want like to search any other gadget, you can let us know and you can search on the website too. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.